Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to North Glenora, a friendly community in West Edmonton, Alberta. The land here sits on the traditional territory of the Plains Cree, Wood Cree, Nakota, Saulteaux, and Dene people before development began after World War II. From the early 1950s onward, a thoughtful plan shaped the neighborhood with crescents and cul-de-sacs to reduce traffic. Today, North Glenora feels peaceful and welcoming, with mature trees lining quiet streets and a strong sense of community. With safe streets, green spaces, local schools, and thoughtful planning that values the community, North Glenora offers a warm, comfortable home close to both city life and nature. Edmonton is a vibrant and dynamic city that serves as the capital of the province and a major cultural and economic hub in Western Canada. Known as the Gateway to the North, Edmonton is strategically located on the North Saskatchewan River and is renowned for its rich history, diverse communities, and stunning river valley, which is the largest urban parkland in North America. Edmonton is also a leader in innovation and education, home to the University of Alberta and a thriving tech sector. With its blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty, Edmonton provides a high quality of life for its residents and a welcoming atmosphere for visitors, making it a truly unique and exciting place to explore.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!